Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause your video to think for a moment. So the correct output of this code is 199 and 5. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and let me first write the index of these elements 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what happens is that here we are doing slicing insertion. So from index 1 to 4, which means 1, 2, and 3 is replaced by this much. So 1 to 3 is this, and this will be replaced by 9 and 9. So the new list will become 1, and then we have 5, which is left here. And this was the output. And if you want to solve more coding puzzles like these, then you can check out the playlist. Link is in the description.